From above, Tamarindo reveals its true beauty. Coastline that stretches endlessly. It's a place where nature and freedom exist in perfect balance. The sound of waves becoming a constant companion. Tamarindo has a way of grounding you. Deep blues, burning oranges, and soft pinks reflecting across the water. Because Tamarindo isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. Framed by lush hills and scattered with boats, Tamarindo is not about rushing. It's about being present. The ocean calms, but the energy remains, shifting, evolving. As the sun begins to fall, the sky transforms. Night arrives gently here. Lights flicker on. Music drifts through the warm air. And the day, somehow, feels like it's still unfolding.